Star of the show. Okay. You might be wondering, why do I have Canada Dry cherry ginger ale sitting up here? You may be wondering why I have a regular and a zero sugar. Well, I picked up 2 different boxes by mistake. I was only supposed to have the zero sugar. So when I opened this, not knowing that it's not zero sugar, I was like, why does this taste so real? Like something is just not right. Come to find out, I was drinking the regular, but it was fine because it gave me the calories that I needed that day. So 140 calories with 30 something carbs. I needed this. So this is a good little pick me up when I'm a little low on calories and carbs. But this zero here is the best. I love it. This will be a staple in my house because Poppies is too much. I just refuse to pay $19 for 12 cans when I can get 12 cans for $5 and some change. Understand? Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how nutrition is key. Your girl titrated down from 7.5 milligrams on Zepbound to 5 milligrams. And we are going to talk about my first week on 5 milligrams. So let's go ahead and get right into this video because I have a whole lot of gems and things to share with you. And I just feel so excited and so good that your girl powered up. And if you ain't been watching my shorts, you know, those muscle gains in my legs and stuff, it oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ignore that. But look at this mountain. This mountain. All right, so in order for me to get this little mountain, your girl had to change up some things. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, honey, you're going to have to watch last week's episode, okay? And let's go ahead and jump right into this episode now. But before we even do that, I have to show you the macros that I jotted down on the Lose It app where I track my calories. I said I was going to only track for a few days. I ended up tracking for a whole week. And I do plan on tracking my second week. And I'll tell you a little bit later why I'm choosing to track my second week. And for those who know, I am on maintenance, and you probably already know why I'm going to track my second week. But with that being said, let's get into how the 5 milligrams has helped me increase my calorie intake, my carb intake, and how nutrition has been key for me to start building more muscle and how it has affected my body in a positive way. So here we go on Friday, me injecting myself with the 5 milligrams. Okay, so I did have, so my macros for Friday, this is what it looks like. And I know you're probably like, dang girl, you went from little under 1,000 to around 15 something. Well, let me explain, First off, we had a luncheon Friday, which was Friendsgiving at work. So what I did was I made sure I stick to the regimen. We're going to do double protein, and I had 2 carbs. So one of the carbs was macaroni and the other carb was a cookie. That was my well-balanced meal. Of course, I continued to walk. But the game changer was when I got home. I don't remember what I ate, but it should be right here. But when I weight lift, it's supposed to be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And Fridays is so hard for me to weight lift. And I'm not sure if it also contribute to me just eating low in calories. But when I tell you, after I ate dinner, I was so pumped and ready to work out. And I weight lift. My legs were feeling a little sore from Wednesday's workout because usually I am sore 2 days post weightlifting, okay? And it was a little bit sore, but I worked out anyway. That didn't stop me. I took my supplements, my glutamine, all of that. BCAAs, everything. Except for that creatine. I did not take no creatine. And then I felt good. So I was like, oh man, I have a feeling I'm going to be really, really sore. So I used the rolling sponge. I used that. to help relieve some of the muscle pain, and just trying to be proactive when it comes down to, muscles being stiff and all of that. So I was just trying to be proactive in that area. But Saturday, you see my macros. It was a little bit low, but your girl was a little bit busy during that day, and I really wasn't feeling my best at, wanting to eat. But I decided, you know what? I ate a good meal. Let me go ahead and just walk. So over the weekend, I decided to do 30 minutes of walking after dinner. And I have been doing that consistently. And that had put me at 7 days of being active. 7 days being active. Who, me? Tamika? What? So here's my macros on Sunday. You see that my calories started to increase. Now, just keep in mind, I do not force myself to eat. If I am not hungry, I am not going to eat. I want this to be a natural cause. I'm not trying to stretch my stomach out to the point where I am overstuffing myself. So as you see on Monday, here are my macros. I did my weightlifting workouts. Everything has been feeling good. The body was not feeling sore. And I was like, what in the world is going on? Am I really weight training? Like, what is happening? Because I am not feeling the effects of being sore. But let's just keep going on with the calories. So this is how my calories looked on Tuesday, calories on Wednesday, and then here it is today. My calories are back low again. That's because the downsides I noticed, like when I double up on protein, like really high like that, over 40, that does put me in a bad crunch where I am not able to eat my third meal or my second meal, depending on when I ate that double protein. So I'm learning now to just try to scale back. And for those who do not know, I used to eat 2 meals a day. So I would double up on my protein in the morning, because I would have like a brunch around 10 o'clock, and that would hold me over until dinner when I come home. So now I've been able to put in at least 3 meals a day, not have my protein so high so I can have 3 meals. And then if I need a snack, I'll go ahead and have a snack. I've been enjoying the snacks. Just saying. So speaking of the weightlifting for this week, so Monday and Wednesday I did my weight training, and then Tuesday I did a cardio with some light weights. If you saw my shorts, then you saw what my legs look like. I was shocked because I was like, not only did my exposure was off, but I was like, the video was so distorted. Like, why does my body look so long? And didn't even realize, like, that is how my body looks. You look at your body every single day, all hours out the day, and you don't even realize that your body is trimming up, your body is slimming. And just looking at myself on camera in the video, I was pretty shocked that how straight up and down I was. I was like, dang, girl, you ain't got no curves. Okay. But as far as my weightlifting recovery, I owe it to my nutrition. I owe it to getting my nutrition back on check, increasing my carbs, increasing my calories. If you don't remember, this is what my macros should be looking like. My carbs has literally went up. It used to be 100 and below. Now it's over 100, and I'm like, ooh, I'm going over. But then I was like, no, that's my fuel that I need for my body. When I weightlift, I need these carbs. Now, do I try to go overboard? No. But I try to be reasonable and sensible and be smart about what type of carbs I put into my body. I measure out just about everything. I have my food scale. I use that. I have my measuring cups. I use that. So these are things that has helped me to help with my muscle recovery. And I have not been feeling sore yet. And I even went heavy on the weights last night because I was like, there's no way in the world that I am lifting weights and I'm not feeling sore and I'm not walking like Frankenstein. But that's neither here nor there. I'm glad I'm not feeling sore, and I believe that it is because I have increased my calories. So I have reset my metabolism in a healthy way where I am able to burn calories. And I've been, just still getting my steps in. It don't have to be the 15 8,000 like I was getting 2 weeks ago. That was just a little trial and error just to see what I can do possible. I would say my soreness has been a 3 out of 10 compared to 7 and 8 out of 10. That's a big significant difference. Now, because of that, let's talk about the scale. All right. When I got on here and told you last Thursday, my weight was at, I think it was 139. But Friday morning, I was shockingly surprised that I was at 138. But now today, I am at 136.6. Yes, 136.6 is my actual weight. And I cannot believe that I weighed this much. I thought for sure I would at least gain about 5 pounds by increasing. But because my activity was increasing along with my calories, and I don't know, numbers does matter, okay? And with that being said, I'm going to track my calories again, because for a minute I was like, I know I'm going to get down back to 136 because I was on the creatine. But I was like, no, I may not get back to 136 because I'm increasing my calories and I'm increasing my activity, and didn't even realize that it all worked in my favor. So now I'm back at 136. All right. So I do want to say when it backtrack just a little bit, when it comes down to your the scale, I understand that I do weight loss here on my videos, and the scale has always been a number one factor in my videos. Usually numbers matters to people, but I also wanted to express that the scale is not everything, which is why you saw videos of me doing the weight loss transformation between Wegovy and Zepbound, and then you saw me measuring myself. I had someone comment, I don't know where the confusion was, but I just want to say that the scale, like I said, is not everything. You want to take measurements of your legs and your waist. So please don't tell me to stop doing something when I know it is beneficial, because with weight loss, you can lose fat. So losing fat is different from losing weight, which is scale weight, water weight. Losing fat, you're going to lose inches. But I just want to just say that because I'm just not understanding where's the disconnect, okay? Just like I said, honey, just ask questions. A lot of times it's not what you say, it's how you say it. So when you ask, I will be more than happy to give more of an explanation. And I'm the type of person that when I don't understand something, I don't comment, or I will pose it in a question so that that content creator can receive what I'm saying in a positive light when they don't think I'm trying to be negative. So it's just kind of hard to read people when you don't really know their personality. But yeah, that's, again, neither here nor there. Just don't tell me to stop doing something. I'm a grown woman, okay? Now, I haven't got any word on my authorization. It actually ended on Wednesday. Hopefully my doctor will get back with me on Friday, but your girl is not hurting for any injection pens because I have plenty in the refrigerator, because like I said, I take it every other week. I am on maintenance and I'm using 5 milligrams. I do have one 7.5 that I'm just keeping for like a little rainy day. I'm not worried about getting back on the 7.5 because, as you can see, 7.5 puts me in a extreme low calorie deficit that I don't want to be in. So I am happy that I have made this much progress in 1 week. Like I told you, it does not take much to even increase your calories, because if you just increase your carbs, there goes majority of your calories right there. But just increase your activity to kind of balance it out so you're not storing those carbs as fat. You want to use those carbs as fuel, because that can help you get through your workouts. I mean, hey, why not? I'm still kind of struggling trying to do my weightlifting in the morning, but I just prefer doing it in the evening time because I have a lot of calories in my body to burn so I can get through my workout. Now, back to the authorization. if I hear from him by Friday afternoon, I will put it in a pinned comment under this video stating that my authorization was approved or is being in review, and I'll hear something sooner or later. But if not, I'll just put it in next Friday's video and just let you know where I'm at with that. But like I said, girl, I'm not even hurting for it. I have enough pins really to last me until January. Going to track again because this is my off week. So I want to see how my appetite is on my off week of the 5 milligrams. And then we'll chat again next Friday. Until then, goodbye, gorgeous.